Hi everyone, Maria here. I am the probate associate at Burnham Law. When people meet me, people ask me, what do you do? And I tell them I'm a probate lawyer, and they're like, what does that mean? So, a probate lawyer does a lot of things. It depends day by day. We do everything from giving an opinion on if you potentially have a good argument for being a common law spouse of someone who passed, because if you're a common law spouse of someone who passed, you have different rights compared to someone who is just, a live-in significant other. Sometimes I give opinions on how an estate is going to be administered based on a will. Sometimes I go into court and I argue for my clients who are either contesting a will or who are wanting a will to be brought in as the official final wishes of a person. Sometimes I help personal representatives administer estates. There are a lot of really important minutia in the probate code that a personal representative should be aware of and should follow. And there are specific steps that a personal representative has to follow after they're appointed so that the estate is considered administered properly, and then you can close it so that you no longer have liability as the personal representative for a potential breach of fiduciary duty against the estate. Sometimes I help write wills and I consult on that. So a probate attorney does a lot of different things. Sometimes people want to get a conservatorship over a loved one who they believe lacks capacity. That's probate law too. Sometimes an incapacitated person or a person who's under the age of 18 gets a settlement from a personal injury or anything else. Probate lawyers handle those. Also, we have to get those approved by the court. So the answer to what do you do is a lot of different things, depends on the day, but I can help you with most things related to dying and most things related to incapacitated people. But call me for a consult if you have specific questions. And as always, visit our website, burnhamlaw.com, for more information.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And for more information, go to burnhamlaw.com.